When we look at cell division and reproduction in eukaryotes, or our bacteria and archaea, this is a fairly simple process. They do reproduction by a process known as binary fission. So they essentially just cut themselves in half. Why are they able to do this and you can't? Well, with a prokaryotic chromosome, first we look at it being circular. There's only one chromosome, typically. And when we look at these sorts of organisms, of course, they are much smaller than you are. So these traits allow them to simply just replicate themselves. So starting with a replication of the chromosome, and then they're going to separate that so that they have two identical copies of the chromosome, and the cell will simply get longer. So if this is our single-celled organism at the bottom, the cell will elongate so that it can split itself in half. And you see these indents that are starting that are actually going to go through a process known as cytokinesis, where we just simply split the cell in half. So this division produces two daughter cells. Don't be offended, guys. We always refer to these as daughter cells. No particular reason other than in these particular organisms, we wouldn't see a Y chromosome. Y is what produces males. So if you want to think about it that way. So simply taking that chromosome, duplicating it, elongating the cell, and then cutting the cell in half, producing two perfect copies through binary fission. Now this is also mitosis. This is perfect copy cellular division. This is mitosis at its heart. In this case, using it for entire organism replication rather than just cell replication.